Look at the lights!
Wow, they're so pretty!
They are. Let's stay inside and watch. Be careful up there.
I will, it's so cool!
I'm right behind you. Hold on tight.
Careful up there! Hold on tight!
I am, it's fun!
You're doing great. Almost there. Climb up! Grab my hand!
I'm trying!
You can do it!
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
I love the mist.
Me too.
This is so warm.
Perfect for a day like this.
Yeah, it's the best! Look, that tree has the biggest leaves!
It really does. Good eye.
The forest is full of surprises.
The rain is really coming down.
It's perfect for reading.
I love rainy days!
Look at the lights!
Wow, they're so pretty!
They are. Let's stay inside and watch.
There, all cozy now.
It's warm, Mommy.
We'll keep you safe.
Here you go, sweetie.
Thank you!
That's it. Enjoy.
This is delicious.
Yes, more please!
Here you go, sweetie.
It's so cozy.
This is so cozy.
The rain makes it perfect.
Yummy!
I'm glad we're all together. And then, the little tree spirit whispered a secret to the boy. It said the rain would bring a wonderful adventure. And then, the wind carried the leaves all the way to the river.
Wow, that's incredible.
The river? Really?
Yes, really.